Guys, today my brother bought with his
Fine below tart.
he got for your
Birthday. We're going to open this wacky package. Then we're opening these Transformers. Sorry. Okay.
so it comes with 5 surprises plus a sticker.
So I toss it.
They're just brand puns. They're brand puns. So, first up we have
Lame Boy.
read what it says.
It says Tomcat Video MAME System.
Let me see.
Isn't that it? He said, "Ow." Okay.
No, not that.
No.
Game. Grand Theft Audio.
Grand Theft Audio. Nice, dude.
Look at that dog is happy. Okay, so let's check the track.
PlayStation.
It's
PlayStation.
Luna.
It's a remake of Grand Theft Auto, I guess. There's Scrapple, Coldfish, Chimps Ahoy, Foot Gushers, Slacker Jack, Cheapos, Spittles, Lame Boy, which we got.
Hey, don't special. What?
Hold up, let me check something.
What else do you have?
Tape. Fine, let's open more.
Okay, I'll let you open yours first. Since you bought this.
This is both mine. I bought this.
I know you bought this. All of it's yours.
Wait, that's nuts. A assorted fruit flavor Snowdrops.
Snots.
Snowdrops.
I got Evil Time. Chocolate flavor.
Okay. Now we're gonna open this. I'm
No,
gonna go with.
no, we still got some more.
Oh.
Wait.
Isaiah, open the
There you
last one.
Okay, I'm gonna open the last one. We got pop-ups, candy, oozing lemon store lemon. The flavor is infection.
Ew, these are disgusting.
Okay, now let's stove Transformers. Robots in style.
So first we're gonna open the newer series, which is ugly, but my brother got these. I open it like this.
Gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to break it. I don't like really doing that. There's tape right here.
Need my scissors? Yeah, let me go get my scissors.
I don't need them.
I'll get them.
I said I don't need them.
I'll get them. I'm coming now. Here you go. So first check the checklist and then check the checklist and see which one you got after you build it.
Hey, what? I got Elvis.
No, you didn't.
Yes, you said this was Elvis.
Said it looked like him.
Let's see his face.
Oh,
Wait, hold up, look.
shit.
It shows you how to, look. If you open it right here, look, it shows you how to. Down here. No, behind it. This way. Over here, Sarah.
Okay.
Let me do it for you.
Okay, one. So, here you do it.
Axwell.
What's his name? Axwell.
I think his legs.
Okay, let's just start one open, okay?
Oh, no, I want to open one. Wait, how do you open that one in the first place?
They're all like that. Yeah, that's even one slide. That's mine.
I want to open it. Oh, this one looks cool. I want to.
That one's mine too, same boy.
I know.
All these are mine. In the same time.
This is a smiley dog. Okay, so it's Atomic Freezy. So first bring off the bottom, slap off the top. And 3 is open the side hands. What? Then here's Atomic Freezy. Ugly. For sure.
Oh, he looks so cool.
Let me work on.
He's not ugly.
Show them the.
All these are gross stuff. Except for this Grand Theft Auto team. It says, no, Mom. So this says the game where you battle interest music piracy who little download to tops. Okay, Say
Say bye.
Bye. I have no idea how to work.